all the people on 99 Designs, all the people on Fiverr, all the people on Etsy are being disrupted because you now have a super brain. You have a super designer working for you.
$875 over and over again with 5 minutes work. This dream is an actual reality right now. Check it out with making money using AI.
Well, we're going to look at this amazing way to make some money, and that is using AI generated images with a tool like this, which, by the way, is a very new tool. It's called Ideogram.ai. You can make AI generated images that actually have text in them. Now, why is that a big deal? Well, because most AI generators do not use text very well. If you try Midjourney, if you try DALL-E, they jumble up the text, so it doesn't work. But now there's an AI generating tool, Ideogram, that will actually generate text. So here's a couple of ideas and examples. You can see that people put in their text, they put in the word magic, they put in their name, and it's actually generating text and generating fonts. And it's amazing. So what's cool about this is you can make a logo. So let me show you really quick. I just literally typed in the word, a logo with the word action in it. That's all I did. Type that in. It gave me these 4 examples of logos. Now, I like this one here. This is one example of a logo that we could sell. You could also regenerate this, go again, and just come up with good logos, right? Here's some more.
Dave, I like, if you scroll up a little bit,
Yep.
I really like the third one there, and we'll bring home why I like that third one in a second. But I like the one that says action that Dave's mentioning, but I also like the third one. We're gonna talk about that in just 1 second.
Yeah, and these can be conceptual logos like this or this one that James likes, or they can be just fonts, right? Font logos. So here's what you can do with this tool. You can go in, type in a phrase, make a logo instantly, right? And then go over to this site called 99 Designs. Now, 99 Designs is where you or people can find a designer, and they can find things that people are designing. They can design, for example, logos, right? So we did a quick search for logo design under the category of business and consulting, and we see these logo designs.
Well, so first of all, if you're not familiar with 99 Designs, I call it like the rich man's Fiverr. So the bottom line is people charge a lot more money here. And so you could be someone that goes to buy designs here, or you could be one of the designers on here. And the reason why I like that logo, if you can just go back to that for a second, Dave, from the first link. Okay, if you look at that logo there, where it's kind of just these circles, they came up with the word action. Well, then go back to 99 Designs and look at Cindric here. Look at his designs. See, it's the same kind of look and feel. Exactly. Now, if you look at the one above that, Shaka 88, that's more what you were resonating with, Dave, with the
actual words. Yep.
So it was giving us the best of both worlds. Now, if you click on the other link that we were talking about, Dave, the pricing, look at some of these prices here. Okay, this is the 99 Designs pricing matrix. Look at the logo design. For example, you could be being charged $1,299, $899. It's not $5 a piece here. Okay, you look at all these different things here, these designs. I'm just looking at some random numbers: $449. $299, $1,599 to make these crazy designs. Now, if we go back one more time, Dave, to 99 Designs, and you look at what these people are making, I think it's a lot of talent to make the design that Cindric had there. It's some talent, absolutely, with what Shaka 88, amongst others, are doing. But sorry, Cindric, sorry, Shaka 88, you're going to get disrupted, because I can come on here, Dave can come on here, anyone watching the Make Money with AI channel can come on here and start doing just as good a job, if not better, simply by using this tool. And that's how you can make this crazy money right now.
Yeah, and so what we're talking about here is making much bigger money than you could make on Fiverr, for example, and having a much better audience. And the other cool thing about this is 99 Designs is 100% free traffic for you. So all you do is make these designs, start to build up a following, start to make sales, because the buyers are already there waiting for you. And all you do is offer these logo designs. Now, a logo is just one thing you can do, right? Let me share a screen again here and show you all the other things you can do with this type of software. So you've got logos, you've got web app design, clothing, merchandise, art, and illustration. Like if we just click on that, You've got card or invitations, characters, tattoos, 3D, illustration, graphics, tattoos, James. Something we've got to talk about.
Well, that's
Uh,
pretty cool. And the thing is, Dave, we have some amazing courses on Etsy. We have some amazing courses on Fiverr that are all around this certain notion, using the power of image generation and then charging it for a lot more. Because in the end, it's just images. But it's not just an image, it's a tattoo design. It's not just an image, it's a logo. It's not just an image, it's something to create t-shirts on to sell for e-com. When you understand that, and you understand the core concepts that we teach in our courses, you can use this on Fiverr. You can use this on Etsy. You can use this on 99 Designs by extrapolating all these great things we're talking about and all the tools we have. So you absolutely want to check out the courses that we have in the description below, because that's what's so amazing about our channel. And that's why I love doing this so much, Dave, is that we get to express ourselves because we love thinking about all kinds of new ways to make money. But AI is like just letting it happen for us. We just envision it in our brain, and it's like, these tools are popping all out of nowhere to make it happen. That's how crazy things are happening right now.
AI is doing all the hard work for us, guys. That's really it. Like, imagine with, for example, Ideogram, Midjourney, Dolly, these AI image generators. It's like having a high-level professional designer, artist right by your side. And all you're doing is saying, super artist, can you please do a logo around the word action? Sure, here you go, boom. And it's like magic. It's really like magic. It's amazing. It's like you have a genie in a bottle and you're saying, can you please do this? Yes, here you go. And the same thing with Chat GPT, the text-based generators, all that kind of stuff. It's like having a super computer by your side. So now all the people on 99 Designs, all the people on Fiverr, all the people on Etsy are being disrupted because you now have a super brain. You have a super designer working for you. So we wanted to share that with you. We're really excited. There's so many categories, by the way, in which you can do this and make money, and not just on this site, but also on Fiverr as well. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. Thank you for your support. We're really excited about the growth of this channel, and we want to recommend that you join our free AI newsletter. The link will be down below. And when you do, you'll automatically get our free ebook called 40 Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT. That's just our gift to you for supporting us and for being here for us. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.